Welcome to Fix Your Apps, where we share quick and easy tips to enhance your app experience. In this video, we're diving into how to create another account in X, step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tips and tutorials. Step 1. Open the X app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your current account before proceeding. Step 2. Tap your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu where you can manage your accounts and settings. Step 3. Look for the 3 dots next to your profile picture and tap on them. This brings up additional account options. Step 4. From the menu that appears, select Create a New Account. This is the starting point for setting up your new account. Step 5. Tap on Create Account to begin the account creation process. This will take you to a new screen. Step 6. Now, choose your preferred language from the list provided and tap Next. Make sure to pick the language you're most comfortable with. Step 7. Enter all the required details. This includes your desired username, your email address or phone number, and your date of birth. Be sure to double-check everything for accuracy. Step 8. Once you've entered all the details, tap Next to proceed. If there are any errors, the app will prompt you to fix them before continuing. Step 9. Finally, follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate your account. This might involve verifying your email or phone number, so keep an eye out for any messages or codes you'll need to enter. And that's it. By completing these steps, you'll successfully create another account in X. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.